Are you looking for the best happy partner electric glass blender? In this video we will look at some of the best happy partner electric glass blender on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Happy Partner Electric Glass Blender. Food Processor 3-in-1 Food Processor 4-in-1 Food Processor Motor 7025 minutes minus 7030 max power 350 to 400 watts 2 speeds control with pulse 1.0 liters blender jar. Grinder jar 50G/chopper 100G 3-in-1 package details QTY4 PCS/CTNN.W 16.7 kg. G.W 17.7 kg gift box 425 x 215 295 mm CTN 44.5 x 44 63.5 cm QTY/2900 PCS QTY/4 TIC 2188 PCS 4-in-1 multifunction commercial home electric mixer juicer blender glass food processor with meat grinder nut fruit chopper. Number 2. Smart Kitchen Appliance 1.75 liters juicer blender. Power motor 800 watts plus heater 700 to 900 watts solid stainless steel housing with LCD display 1.75 liters high capacity plastic cooking jar powerful blender with S.S blades multifunctional design for both blending and heating. Chunky/smoothie/blend/heat cooking functions adjustable temperature/time/speed setting overheat cooking protection come with safety operation lock over water level protection. Number 3. 4 liters 5 liters 6 liters 7 liters 10 liters stand mixer multifunctional food processors. Electric food mixer for baking comes with 3 chef's accessories, stainless steel whisk, aluminium alloyed dough hook, aluminium die casting flat beater, no dishwasher to avoid oxidization, and the bottom suction feet keep the kitchen mixer steady and no displacement even it is working. Whether you are making cakes, pastries or any other type of dish you can think of, our stainless steel stand mixer can meet all your baking and cooking needs. And it is quick and easy to clean. Just throw the bowl you used in the dishwasher and you're all set. No need to spend extra time cleaning everything by hand. Number 4. Electric meat grinders food crusher stainless steel multifunctional electric slicer vegetable cutting machine carrot potato dicing machine shredder cucumber dicer meat grinder voltage 220 volts/50 Hz power 600 watts capacity 5000 milliliters material PC plus stainless steel weight 4.5 kg function dicing/slicing/shredder gear to gear upgrade your kitchen with our professional grade electric slicer shredder featuring a powerful motor. This machine makes food preparation fast and efficient. Cleaning up after meal prep has never been easier, and the sharp blades can be rinsed directly with water. No more fussing with complicated cleaning. Save time and energy with this efficient machine. Wide range of applications. Our electric. Number 5. Multifunctional food processor smart cooking robot. iCookMix thermo cooker. Your smart mini kitchen iCookMix is a mincer, a grater, a dough maker, a juicer, a whisk, a blender, a mill and a pestle and mortar to name just a few of its many functions. It is also an ice cream, sorbet maker, a coffee grinder and spice grinder, an electronic weighing scale, a food processor and a food mixer. It whips, emulsifies, homogenizes and crushes and has a built-in timer. Of course, what makes it completely different from any other appliance is that it also sautés,